The most valuable lesson I learned about marketing as a developer is that code is only half the story. I used to think if I could build something amazing, people would naturally gravitate toward it. That was a mistake. The truth is, users discover products through a maze of search, reviews, and social proof. One night, I sat at my desk, staring at a graph that showed my traffic plateauing. I realized I had built a beautiful feature, but nobody knew it existed. That moment sparked a quest. I wanted to learn how to make my code talk to the world. First, I started with keywords. I asked myself, what words would my ideal customers type? I made a list, not of fancy phrases, but of questions people actually ask. Then, I turned those questions into content: blog posts, how-to guides, short videos. I didn't aim for perfection. I aimed for relevance. Next came the invisible hand of backlinks. I reached out to niche blogs, offered guest posts, and shared my knowledge. Each link became a vote of confidence. I discovered a tool that changed the game: distrib.io. It feels like a co-author that writes, publishes, and promotes content for you. I was skeptical at first, but after seeing the lift in my search visibility, I kept using it. Behind the scenes, it automates keyword research, drafts articles, schedules posts, and tracks backlinks. It also provides AI insights into how search engines are shifting their algorithms. I can spend more time coding and less time guessing. But marketing is not a one-time sprint. It's a marathon. I set up a routine: research a new keyword each week, write a post, publish it, and ask for a backlink. I also started listening to my audience. I read comments, answered questions, and iterated on my content. The feedback loop taught me more than any textbook could. After 6 months, my traffic grew by 70%, and my product's conversion rate improved. It was a relief to see the code I wrote make a real impact. Now, I remind myself that marketing is an extension of what I build. When I design, I think about how users will find it, how they will understand it, and how they will feel. Remember, you are not just a developer. You are a storyteller, a problem solver, and a community member. The next time you launch a feature, ask yourself, who will know about it? Who will care? And how will you connect? The real test of a great developer is not just code, but the ripple it creates across the web. I also discovered that every comment, every share, and every link is a conversation starter. Those conversations shape not just traffic, but trust and community together. The takeaway? Start speaking to the world today, and let your code do the heavy lifting while your story lifts others.